Now I am going to discuss one important question. Express A is equals to 451372168 as a sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, answer. The given matrix square matrix is A is equals to 451372168. Okay. Let A is equals to P plus Q, where P is symmetric matrix, that is P transpose is equals to P, and Q is a skew symmetric matrix, that is Q transpose is equals to minus Q. Okay. Now transpose this, that is, suppose this is equation number 1. A transpose is equals to P transpose plus Q transpose of these matrices. Okay. So from here you may write A transpose is equals to P minus Q, because P transpose is equals to P and Q transpose is equals to minus Q. Okay, this is number 2. Okay, solving 1 and 2, we get, solving means just if you add, Q part will cancel, P is equals to 1 by 2 A plus A transpose. Okay, Q is equals to half A minus A transpose. Okay, as a rough 1 plus 2, this imply this 1 plus 2, this imply 2P is equals to A plus A transpose. This imply P is equals to half A plus A transpose. Okay. Next, 1 minus 2, this imply 2Q is equals to A minus A transpose. Q is equals to half A minus A transpose. So this is the process by which you can calculate P and Q. Now P is equals to half A plus A transpose is equals to half, what is your A matrix? What is your A matrix? Your A matrix is this 451372168. 4 5 1 372,168 plus 451,372,168 transpose. Okay, is equals to half 451,372,168 transpose of a matrix. 451 row becomes columns, 372,168. Okay, is equals to half 4 plus 4 8, 5 plus 3 8, 1 plus 1 2. Okay, 3 plus 5 8, 7 plus 7 14, 6 plus 8 6 plus 2 8, 1 plus 1 2, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 8 16. Okay, so you can all are multiple of 2, so you can take common 2. Okay, so what you have ultimately, P is equals to 441,474,148. This is our P, which is our P, which is a symmetric matrix. Why? Because principal except principal diagonal, all elements are same position, just symmetric. Okay, now Q is equals to half A minus A transpose. So from here you may write half. What is your A? A is equals to 451,372,168 minus 451,372,168 whole transpose. Okay, so half 451,372,168 transpose of a matrix, that is 451 column, 372 second column, 168 third column. Okay, is equals to half subtraction, that is 4 minus 4 0, 5 minus 3 2, 1 minus 1 0, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 7 minus 7 0, 3 minus 6 that is minus 4, 1 minus 1 0, 6 minus 2 4, 8 minus 1 0. So after simplification, what you have, Q is equals to, after simplification, that is 0 by 2 0, 2 by 1 0, minus 1 0, minus 2 0, 2 0. So this is a skew symmetric matrix because all diagonal elements are 0 and just symmetric about these principal diagonal elements with opposite sign. Okay, hence from 1 A A is equals to P plus Q. What is P? P is symmetric matrix. What is Q? Q is a skew symmetric matrix. So now you know P and Q. Substitute here. That this imply A is equals to 4 5 1 3 7 2 1 6 8 can be expressed as a symmetric part, that is P. What is P? P is equals to 4 4 1 4 7 4 1 4 8. What is Q? That is 0 1 0 minus 1 0 minus 2 0 2 0. Okay, this is symmetric and this is symmetric matrix. That's all.